In this video, I'm going to be comparing Uscreen to Special. Now, what is Uscreen? It's a video on demand platform for you to grow your streaming business. And it's an all-in-one platform for you to be able to do this. Now, what is Stream Independent, what is Special, which allows you to stream independent? Well, it's a platform for you to be able to build your brand, be able to stream your personal brand on your own platform or your own section, and then go from there. Now, what are the key differences? Well, Special, it is built for you to be part of a community. So even though you have your own specific page, you can stream, do all those things, you're not going to get the option to have your own platform for you to have it siloed away. Now, there's key reasons, and there's key reasons for both. So let's go through this. Uscreen, you have your own brand, you can upload it, you can have it on Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, Apple, all of those things. And this is built for you to develop your own brand and be off in your own siloed effect, right? You control your branding. This can be totally white labeled, so they wouldn't know that you're using Uscreen necessarily. Also, too, you're given a lot of options in order to grow your brand. Special is new, and it comes from a great team, and there's a link down below when we talk to the founder. But they fundamentally are different. This is for video creators and independent studios to build out their subscription and revenue, but they do not have plans at this time to be able to do the same functionality as Uscreen. Now, what are the advantages of one or the other? For me, for a Special, you can start for free. As long as you have an LLC and a Stripe account, guess what? You can start, and there is no starting cost at all. In fact, they're just taking a percentage of your subscriptions. So you're getting unlimited subscriber memberships, unlimited HD video hosting, enterprise audience analytics, transparent revenue reporting, all of those things, exclusive data export. So if you decide to leave a platform, you have all the information that you need. You can have multiple staff accounts. And I love this right here. It allows you to start toggling how many subscribers, how much would you need to be charging, and it tells you your take home, what you'll make. I love that. Just very easy to understand and really easy to get started. We did a challenge, we did a build, and we had the channel done in 30 minutes. I mean, really easy to get started. Again, who is this for? For ones that are testing and building their brand. They're on a strict budget, and perhaps they're still trying to find their audience. Again, the other consideration for Special, you're going to be able to be on a network of other channels, so other people are going to be able to discover you. But just with that, when you're on there, you're going to be they'll be able to discover other artists as well. Think about that. But again, it is not meant for you to have your own platform siloed off. Uscreen is. So what are the prices for Uscreen? What are we looking at? The basic is starting at $49 a month, and then 50 cents per subscriber. So $49 baseline, you're paying $49 per month, and then 50 cents per baseline. That's annual plan. Monthly, it's $99.50 still. Amplify, you're looking at $3.99 annually, $4.99 a month, 50 cents a subscriber. It also comes with live streaming, live chat countdowns, and a lot of integration. So again, substantially more. And that is to just get started with the basics here of the live streaming, all those things. If you're looking for white labeled mobile apps, white labeled TV OTT apps, live stream, and then also API access, this is going to be, if we're just looking at it, more, right? So if we're here starting at 4, if you're saying talk to us, it's going to be substantially more. Or looking at the contract again, talking to them, they'll let you know, and this depends on the business that you're creating, all of those things. Now, again, to keep in mind, if you're looking to have different apps, there are different ways to pay developers to be able to upload your content up on Roku and other things like that. So keep in mind, Uscreen allows you to have all-in-one platform where you're saying, hey, I want my stuff here. I want it to be distributed to all these other platforms. I want a team to do it. You're paying for it, right? You do not need to talk to the developer. You do not need to think about all these things. They're doing all of those things for you. But keep in mind, it comes at a premium. So when we're looking at Uscreen versus special, there are two different reasons why you would choose one or the other. If you already have an established brand, you're looking at how to be siloed and scale your brand, have that platform all to yourself, and have access potentially to an app later on if you're scaling, or again, talking to them right now and looking at how much that would cost, Uscreen would be the answer. To do this in testing, and really for different independent artists, creators that are looking at something needing a higher echelon than YouTube channel or something where you're not owning it, you could be looking at something like special. Now in the comment section down below, let me know what you're thinking about, what questions you have, and also what other Versus videos you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.